Okay, hey everybody. I'm just gonna really quick show you how to group certain images together so that you're not using too many of these layers. So you're gonna notice that when you are designing your mandala, that Adobe Express actually limits the amount of layers that you can use, and it's somewhere between 24 and 30 layers. And so after you've reached that capacity, it will not allow you to include more images. However, you can group certain symbols or certain images that you place in your mandala, and it should only count as one layer. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that. The first thing you're going to do is you're just going to choose what images you want to layer together. Now for this example, I'm going to layer these four. So these are all individual symbols here. And so I want to go ahead and group all of these together. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the first image. This is going to be my first one. Then what you're going to do is you're going to press down on the Shift key on your keyboard. Make sure that you continue to press down, then click the other images that you would like to group together. Let go of the Shift button. You're going to notice that all four of these are now being collided together. And over here, this little section is now available for us. And so right here, you're going to notice it says group. We're going to click group. Now all of these are together. Now they move together rather than separately. If for whatever reason you want to include more, you add a few more over here and you're like, oh, I actually want to group all 6 of these together, then you can just hit ungroup and include the other 2 that you meant to include. Okay, then you just group them together again, and there it is. And so now all 4 of these actually becomes one layer only. All right, and then from here you can go ahead and duplicate, right? And you can flip this guy. And I went ahead and I actually duplicated it over here a little bit earlier. And so you guys notice that I have it here, and then I just flipped it down here. And so now it's all grouped together and it is one layer only, so now I can add more images. I went ahead and I even grouped up these 3. I grouped up all of my triangles together. I think I even grouped the layering, so this circle and this circle. I think I also layered the lines. If for whatever reason too, you're trying to click on something individual and it's not allowing you, it clicks on the entire mandala, and so this border will show up and it's aggravating you, you're fine. Go into your layers and you can actually click on the individual thing, the individual image. So right here, now I got this one image. This, I have them all grouped together, so now it's telling me, it's showing me each of the individual layers here. And so now I can even go individual, right? So you can do that over here, the line, right? The next line. And so that's an additional tool, all right? Hope this helps. And if you have any other questions, make sure that you are asking your classmates, especially if I am not in class, or you can go ahead and ask me too, all right? Thanks, guys.